Let us continue our topic polynomials. In the last video I showed you the zeros of the polynomial and the relation between zeros and the coefficient of a polynomial, quadratic polynomial. Now today I am going to show you when the sum is given, sum of the zeros is given and product of zeros also is given, then how to find a quadratic polynomial. So your question is, find a quadratic polynomial as the sum and product of zeros are given. So first question is 2 comma minus 8. Now 2 is the sum of the zeros and minus 8 is the product of the zeros. Now I'm showing you one method. This is the not method related to coefficients. I am taking another method. Now see here, let alpha and beta be the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. So these are the zeros, right? Now sum of the zeros means alpha plus beta is equal to 2. And product of zeros means alpha dot beta is minus 8. Now there is an expression of a quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial is given by the expression. Now this is the expression. X square minus sum of the zeros into x plus product of zeros. So you have to take minus sign here and plus sign here. So that is now the expression we write in the symbolic form. X square minus alpha plus beta dot x means into x plus alpha dot beta. Here dot is there means into. Once again you see x square minus alpha plus beta into bracket into x plus alpha into beta. This is the product and this is the sum. Now what is the sum? Write in bracket. The sum is 2. That is alpha plus beta is 2. So write in bracket to avoid the mistake. And this also you write in bracket along with the sign. What is alpha beta? Sign minus 8. Then open the brackets. X square minus 2x and plus into minus minus. This is your answer. This is the quadratic polynomial having sum and product. Let us take another question. Now sum is minus 1 upon 4 and product is 1 upon 4. See that. So let alpha and beta be the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus 1 upon 4 and alpha beta is equal to 1 upon 4. Now we'll write this expression. See here now. The quadratic polynomial is given by x square minus in the bracket alpha plus beta into x and alpha beta. So what is the sum? Minus 1 upon 4. Keep it in bracket. X square minus, this minus is from the expression only, and minus 1 upon 4 is the sum. Plus 1 upon 4, that is your product. Now open the bracket, minus into minus plus. And here also plus. Now here 4 is in the denominator. So what do? You multiply the entire expression by 4. You can keep it like this. This is one quadratic equation will have the same zeros. And if you multiply by any number, now you can multiply by 4, you can multiply by 8, you can multiply by 16. These all are multiple of 4. You will have n number of quadratic expressions or quadratic polynomials. N number. You can have multiple quadratic polynomials. So you can write this one. But as the textbook does not have this kind of answers, so multiplying by 4, we have to remove this 4. R by LCM. So multiply by 4, you will get this answer. These type of answers are given in your expression. Otherwise you can end here also. Anyway, now let us take one more example. Sum is root 2 and product is 1 upon 3. We begin the same way. Let alpha and beta be the this zeros of the quadratic polynomial. So here alpha plus beta is root 2 and alpha beta is 1 upon 3. The quadratic polynomial is given by x square minus alpha plus beta in the bracket and x plus alpha beta. Now write down minus root 2 and plus 1 upon 3. And you see that this 3 is again a denominator. So multiplying the entire expression by 3. So 3x square minus 3 root 2. We have to multiply this by 3 and 3 get cancel. 1 upon 3 multiplied by 3. It is plus 1. Okay guys. Now exercise 2.2 and question number 2. These type of examples are given in question number 2. You practice nicely and check your answers from the textbook. Thank you very much.